Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a hack and a foundation routine that I see, and I'm going to see how it really look on my face. So I'm using the Vichy Aqua Terminal Moisturizer here. So this is it, you guys. I am going to use this first on my face here. So this is the first one I am going to use on my face. Just gonna blend it in my face, and I'm going to see how it look after I finish. You have to really like try new things. So I am going to use the Fit Me powder here to set the moisturizer and the face. So I'm going to use this brush here. And they say this lasts like for 24 hours. So before I do that, I am going to use some primer also over this foundation routine that I'm trying out, you guys. So I am going to use my e.l.f. primer, which is this one here. Overheat. And then I am going to use this spray. So you make the spray dry a bit. And the spray I am using today is from NYX. It's a matte spray. Now I am going to use this foundation, which is from Sephora. So this is the foundation, you guys. Sorry for the talking in the background, guys. It's outside, so I cannot do anything about it. So this is how the foundation look on my face. It's really pretty, you guys. So now I am going to use some more spray, and I'm going to spray the foundation. and this can last like for a whole day. So I am going to go into this powder.
I'm going to go in the Fit Me powder.
So I am going to finish up and then I'm going to come back. So guys, I am back with my foundation hack. How to make your foundation last longer. So today, you guys, as you can see, you remember what I did. I haven't put on like a concealer on my eyes because of the thickness of the foundation that I use from Sephora. These foundations are so amazing, you guys. They blend so nicely. So I haven't used any concealer underneath my eyes, but this is my look for the foundation. I love it, you guys. It really feel not heavy. It feel more of a lighter foundation. It's not feel heavy on my face. It's not cakey or anything. So this is how it look, you guys. And then for my eyeshadow, if you want to know which eyeshadow I am wearing today, this is eyeshadow that I bought some time ago, and it's the Extreme Edit from Sephora. I buy this eyeshadow, you guys, a good while ago, so I only use 2 color from it, which I use this one here in right here, and then I just use this one on the lid and under my brow bone, this one and this one. So this is the look, you guys, and I just put on some mascara to go with this look. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just trying out this look because I saw it and I love it. I watched the video with it and I love it, and I said I need to try it out on myself, especially if, like, you know, I have a long occasion, like I have to go out for the whole day. This would last and see how it will last me. But overall, I am really liking how the foundation feel on my face. It's not cakey or anything. It's just really nice. And to the amount of product that I put on, because you can see I put on moisturizer, I put on setting powder, I put on spray, and then I put on primer, and then I put on foundation, and then I end up sprayed, and I didn't use any concealer. I just used a setting powder to set underneath my eyes and set the rest of my face, and then I just put on some blush. So this is how it turned out in the end. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and if you are not subscribed to this girl channel, go ahead, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Ruby Beautiful Natural Makeup. For short, you can just call me Ruby. I love you as always, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Ciao.